got something. Let's check it out. What's up, everyone? This is Trey here. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing a new bag that I just purchased from this company called Private Label New York. This one's got some really cool aesthetics, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Stick around for my honest thoughts. So, if you guys haven't noticed, YouTube is a lot of work. So, I've been purchasing a lot of camera equipment. And I had a bag, well, I have this bag that I've been carrying around. And my camera equipment has kind of expanded past this bag. So I was actually in the market for something new. And I purchased their Mini Sandstorm Platinum series. Now, when I purchase things, I like to get the nicest quality that I can out of them. So let's check this out. Check this bag out. Not too crazy of the packaging. Nice packaging. Let's see if I can get this thing out of here. So, it comes with these little protectors. Make sure that your pride and joy doesn't get damaged as it's getting here. Right over there. Alright. So, yeah, got the Private Label. These boxes, this is a nice box. I might actually keep this box after I'm done with it. Let's see. Oop. Okay. So, comes in this nice little packaging. Fits the bag pretty well. Get this thing out of here. And this is their Platinum series, so I'm not sure if all of their bags come in this type of box, but box nice. Well, we got about 4 pockets on the outside. They have their Private Label logo on the outside as well. Let's see. PRI, and then on this side they have VATE. So they split up the private. You know? So here's one pocket on the outside. These pockets, they're fairly deep. You could probably put like your wallet or your phone, or if you're looking for a camera bag, like extra lenses, something of that sort. You have a front pocket. Let's see. Okay. So this front pocket, it goes to about here. So I want to say about 3 inches deep, somewhere around there. Not too crazy. You want to put something small in there. Move before flight. It's pretty cool. Okay. And just from touching all over this bag, man, it's like a vegan leather on the upper half, and then it has this like small this feels like some type of nylon or something. I'm guessing for protection over time. You probably wouldn't want this as the bottom half of that bag, or this bag. And then they have a back pocket on the back of it. You can, I want to say, you can probably put like a iPad mini in the back of this. something like that. You can, yeah, like some type of little tablet. You can definitely slide in the back of that. Let's see, the bearings. All of this is metal, so this is really nice. This is metal. These zippers they have, all metal, really nice. Definitely want good quality zippers. Show that they'll last over time. Let's see. Looks like this is their warranty card. We greatly appreciate your love and support. This bag was handcrafted with the highest quality and standards set forth by Private Label. We hope you enjoy the product and look forward to seeing how you travel with our bag. Tag us on Instagram at Private Label NYC for possible features and exclusive promotions. Thank you, Private Label. There we go. See if you can see that. And then on the back of it, warranty guide. All of our products come with a limited warranty that protects you from manufacturer defects. For more information about our policies, you can see them on our website under policies. Our warranty does not cover wear and tear from general use. I would hope not, because you'll never sell another bag. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and we'll get back with you within 12 hours. Okay, so this is the other side with the warranty guide. Let's see. So in the inside, let's see, we have another pocket. These are nice little small pockets for convenience. I'm sure you can find a bunch of different things that you can put inside of there. This one is like a little nylon mesh one. Probably put like your earbuds, maybe some keys, or use this as the key ring. Let's see. And then on the inside of here, we have, let's see, shoot to the camera. We have a little extra pocket, and then this is really nice. They have a strap that you can, oh man, this is really good quality. Nice. Okay, so they have a nice little strap right here. Okay, this is nice. Okay, and then these. Okay, so they have some Velcro straps inside here. Like pop, actually can pop them out. Pop this thing out. Pop them out. Nice size inside of here. Nice size bag. Might want to just divide it by 2 and throw 1 in there. There you have a 2-compartment bag that you can store your stuff, or just use the other one for the reset. But I'm probably gonna rock it like this. I have about like 2 cameras. Inside feels amazing. Has this like I don't know what to describe this as. It's like cotton. Nice comfortable cotton. Going into detail. Oh look, it looks like all of their zippers have like the little Private Label and embroidered on there. If I said that right, have them all like indented into the zippers, which is really cool. I like this bag. I think that this is going to definitely be an upgrade from my previous bag. This thing has helped me a lot. I got this from like Armani Exchange a while back, but this is going to be my new everyday carry. I can probably find a bunch of different things I'm gonna store in this thing. And like I said earlier, this is their mini Sandstorm Platinum series. So I don't know if this comes in their regular bags. I can't wait to use this on my everyday travels. Okay, so let's talk about pricing. This bag retails at about $140. So not too bad. Their original bags, their regular bags, they retail at $90. So you're paying a little bump, about $50 bump to get their Platinum series. In my opinion, I feel like it is definitely worth the extra $50 to get something that is a little bit more sturdy. If you haven't seen my other review, I do like that my bag can stand on its own without anything in it. So I'm not sure if their regular bags actually have their own structure to where they stand on their own. But that's what I like about them, so that's why I stick with the Platinum series. Yeah. Alright, so let's see how this bag looks on. Just like that. So my take on that, it's comfortable. The strap is comfortable. I wish it kind of held my body a little bit better, but other than that, I have no complaints. The vegan leather, it feels really good. So over time, I don't think that you are having any concerns about it pushing onto your side. I think this is comfortable. You can get away with this. I'll give you guys a larger view. I wanted to address is to see if this can fit all of my equipment in there. So well, that is it for the unboxing. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this bag, or if there are other bags that you would like for me to review. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Peace.